This is how you get your car washed in Mexico at a car wash. They do it all by hand. Then they pull it around here. That's my car right there. And then they wipe the whole car down. It costs 45 pesos for them to do this. Wash the car and then wipe it all down. Now this is just the outside. If they do the inside, it costs me 90 pesos. The car's all wet and they're wiping it down with wipes. And the car will be perfectly clean when it's done. Two guys wiping it down. This is a car wash in Mexico. And they have all kinds of things here. They have pop, all kinds of things to do with your car, sanitizers and things to clean your car with and everything. They have all kinds of soap down there to use on your car. And then they have other things. They have Armor all up there and wipes. Just a little of everything. They have potato chips and things like that. And this is on Chapala. This is the other end of Chapala from where I live. This is the end. And this is the car wash that I am at. And if you want to zoom in on that, that's where I'm at. They do a very good job here. It's at the southeast end of Chapala. And see, this car over here that they're doing now, they're soaping it all up. See that? They've washed it all down with a brush and soaped it all up. Okay, this is all I'm going to do on this video. If you like my videos, hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell, and then you will get notifications. And that's as much as I'm going to do. They're wiping the whole car down now. They soaped it and they rinsed it. They washed it, soaped it, and rinsed it. And now the two guys are wiping it down. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos.